Heavenly Father, thank you for this day. Thank you for letting Peter join me. Thank you for all the work that he does in your name. And please guide us today, Lord. Guide my hands, my feet, my mind, and my soul. Keep them true to you. And let us have a good time. Amen.
Amen.
Front way's clear. And here we go.
This life, it happens fast. I'll enjoy the time in this hourglass. Yes, I will, oh yes, I will.
Wow, this is a different feeling altogether.
How you doing so far?
Quite impressive. It's very different looking down from the air on this stuff.
Yes, it will.
Smile, Peter. Would you like to try flying?
Sure.
Go ahead and give us a turn towards Centerville Beach.
Okay.
That's Centerville Beach over there. There you go. Push the nose down just a little bit. There you go. Pull back up a little bit. Perfect. Right there. Okay, go ahead and roll out. Straighten it back out. Push your nose down a little bit. Nice. How did that feel?
That was actually pretty cool.
How are you doing so far, Peter?
Pretty good. It's marvelous looking down on the valley like this, seeing all these things from above.
How you doing comfort-wise? You cold? You warm?
I feel about right.
Perfect. Perfect.
What would you say our speed is right now?
Right now we are going 110 miles an hour.
Wow, it doesn't feel like it. This is pretty cool. It's very different from flying up high, so.
Right, does it feel like we're going faster now?
It does.
Who is this, Tim? Thank you, Tim. That is Tim. That's funny. How you doing so far?
This is pretty fun. I'm enjoying myself immensely.
You,
I just imagine how it must be out east where they've got even more of those trees and less of conifers and evergreens.
No, I completely agree.
I got a feeling it's the moment my life's gonna start. I got the feeling when the windows roll down in the car. I got the feeling if I wanna fly, I know that I could. I got a feeling it's all feeling good. I got a feeling it's all feeling good. The sun will show the way. I know the road to take. Throw all our cares away. I don't need to knock on wood. The time is on my side. Let's all enjoy the ride. I got a feeling it's all feeling good. I got a feeling it's all feeling good.
We're about to try to get you a better shot.
It's right over there. You see that barn with the red roof?
Yep.
Yep, that's it.
No way. You can zoom in too.
Beating faster when I got you right by my side. I got a feeling